This man.
Exactly.
Can you believe that?
Yeah, I know.
What?
He is
Sorry?
narcissist.
Yeah.
I always text her
Yeah.
Why?
Instagram. I
He
told her
don't
so many
understand
times.
that word. በአማርኛ በይው እሱ understand
እሺ።
አያውቅም።
ስሚ ዩዘር
በእንግሊዘኛ
Amina, you have to talk to me a little bit.
Okay. From the beginning, I told her he is a narcissist man. He is not. If it is for, making money, that's fine. But if it is like life or relationship, he is not the best man. He is not even the good man.
Yeah.
He is very bad and abusive and narcissist man. So
Why
I told her,
You're
and
talking in Instagram. You're talking.
I did so many times.
So why
But-
you say?
and
Why you say?
yeah, she never responds for me.
Yeah, because he don't know.
Yeah, you know why you're talking. That's why you don't respect you. You know you're talking and here and the life. That's why you can't respect you. Talk to you. That's why you.
Now I need her to listen this.
Wake up.
She has to wake up.
Yeah, should be.
She has to wake up. And
Yeah.
and not only him, I'm blaming her as well because
Me too.
she is I don't understand her.
Give
To
it
be
to
honest.
a lot of chance. That's the
I
problem.
don't understand her because she doesn't respond any of comments. Now I'm saying I'm confused because she's not responding anything. So maybe she agreed doing it. I know she's not happy. I saw the record live. I saw her. She was like insecure.
Yeah.
እንጂ አሚና ቆይ ተረጋጊ። ስሚ ተረጋጊ። እኔ ቤቴ አሁን እናት እድገት ማሳየት አለብኝ። በእንግሊዘኛ ውይይቱ መቀጠል አለበት። ስለዚህ እንግሊዘኛ
ቆይ መጀመሪያ እንስማትና ከማውራት
እንግሊዘኛ አውሩ። በአማርኛ እንዳት እንግሊዘኛ
እንግሊዘኛ ማውራት ማለት ቋንቋ ነው። እሷ ግን የምትናገረው በጣም ትልቅ ነገር ስለሆነ አዳምጧት። አድርጉና ዝጉና አዳምጧት።
የብሩከ ደጋፎች ብሎክ ያደረጉን ፒቺ ከብሎክ
አንቺ ሴትዮ የምታወራው ምን ሆናችሁ? እንደ መሀይም እኮ ነው እያወራን ያለ ነው። እና እንደማመጥ ኦኬ ጎ ሄድ አም ሶሪ
ማይዳት ቀልጂ ምንም እየቀለድኩ አይደለም። ምን ማለት
ጎ ሄድ
አሚና
እንዴ መቼ ቀለድኩ? በአማርኛ ልተኛ ነበር ልስማ።
ምክንያቱም በጣም እንደዚህ መጫወት
ኢንስታግራም ዋሽ ቶኪን እንደ
በሜሴጅ ነው እንጂ ብዙ አታውራ።
ዋሽ ቶኪን ዋሽ ኒድ እሺ ዋሽ
አራመቱ ሽንተፋሽ
because of her.
Why? That's not good. That's not good.
Why everybody writing? So she writing.
You can't
like
know.
Audience. She don't have any.
What do you mean,
connection. I think so. I don't know. I think she don't have any connection, like a special connection.
I never trust with her.
She's a bit lady. I don't think you say like that. Okay, we listen first. Listen to her. Wait a minute. Amina.
እኔ ሚውቷን ክፈችላት ገኒ
ራሷ እኮ ነው መክፈት ያለባት።
ገና መክፈት ትችያለሽ መቅዲ። የእሷን ትንኪ ተጫኙና ራሱ ይመጣልሻል።
አዎ ያለ ወዮ ጉዴ
ብቻዋን እያወራች
የእሷን እንትን ተጫኙ።
እስቲ ቆይ
አሚና
ይሄው ከፍ
ራሷ እያወራች ነው ማለት ነው።
ስራ ላይ ትሆናለች እንግዲህ እንጠብቃ ግድ የለም። Okay.
I always accuse him. Actually, I never give him a like.
Tell me, Amina. No, can you listen to me? Why are you talking on Instagram? What is wrong that you talking and Haim?
For Jaime?
Why? No, not Jaime. You talking?
No, Jaime.
Okay. Oh, you talking
not him. Not him.
Okay.
No.
That's good. Yeah,
how old are you, Amina?
Okay.
How old are you? How old are you? I'm sorry I said that.
I'm so old.
You have a family. Okay,
I have kids.
That's good. Okay. Go ahead. Because
I have kids.
You know.
Yeah, ያንቺ እኩያ ነኝ።
Yeah, thank you. Okay, go ahead.
ያስባለሁ።
Thank you. Because I ask you, for what? A lot of different things it happens. So That's why I asked you. I'm sorry about that. Go ahead.
That's fine. That's not a problem. But
Thank you. Go ahead.
you know, my thing is, she has to stand up for herself.
Okay.
What did
That's,
say you? You
at the
talk
end
to
of the
her.
day, I came up with this.
If you talk to her, what she say you for you? What she should answer?
She never answered me. She never answered.
Okay.
She never. I know she saw it, but she never answered. I always text her, send her, you know, so many, texts and quotes. And he is narcissist man, and he is not. She doesn't deserve him at all.
Okay.
No. And I told her, you know, she has to stand up for herself. That's the only thing I can say, because she led him to do everything. She led him to abuse her. She led him to let her down. She shouldn't give him this chance.
Yeah.
That's her fault. I'm telling you 100%. Now I came up with her. That's her fault. 100%. She should stand up. So we can stand up with her once she stand up for her first. She has to stand up first for herself. That's it. That's the only thing we can do. We text her, we shout, we talk, we cry. We did everything for her. But she never said never, nothing. Why? Because maybe she agreed with this. Why she is doing this, maybe she's making money with this, garbage thing. I don't understand. I don't know why she's still there in that home. She should move out. She's working. She's smart. She's beautiful.
I have one question, because which kind of connection they have, we don't know. That's my
We don't know,
question.
but we
That's
don't know.
why.
Still user. Still. She is a woman. She is a girl.
Yeah.
Even though for making money, she can do anything.
Yep.
She shouldn't allow him to abuse her, to let her down. She shouldn't. She let him to,
from her, we don't know exactly, because he showed the different way. Sometimes by love, sometimes by best friend, and by work. So we don't know these things. Should be they would explain for audience. That's I mean.
She should explain, or she should answer some type of way. She can, but she's just saying, "Oh, I need help." Oh, that doesn't make sense to me.
Amina, you know how is if you're loving, you lost a lot of time.
I know. If you are in love, you
that's
can,
why
your mouth.
You don't say like that, because the love is everything you're losing. You know that. That's why you.
I know. Love is like, hold you back.
You
from
don't
everything.
throw in anytime anywhere. Yeah, you have to wait. What is thinking this man? Is she waiting? That's why maybe she.
Yeah, but she understand too. Sometimes
No, you don't say like that.
Wait a minute. Gani, wait a minute. This is my idea. I'm not going far, so listen to me. Because I understand, Amina, what you mean. She cannot go, but she understand why they coming. All things. For example, a lot of different ladies, a lot of different beach. For work, always we listen, but she understand what they doing, what he doing. So why she is not take action? That's my question. ገባሽ አይደል ገኒ?
Yeah, because if she not do action, she have a lot of thing with this man. How she waiting? She waiting the last. She waiting, and then after that she do everything. I know that's why she do, but she too late.
Okay, it was disconnected. I was getting a call. Okay, so I'm working, so I'm gonna say something about him. So I don't want to say it loud about her, because I don't need her to get,
leave it about her. Just explain.
I don't need her. Those people, those sneaky people, he allowed her. He allowed them.
But people is the double face. A snitch You know, too many people snitch. That's why
I know.
you think like that. That's why you
I know.
understand that way.
I know,
Not
but
all people is a good. You don't think
all
every
I'm
people
gonna
is a
say
good.
is about her. All I'm gonna say is about her. She has to stand up for her right. In order to assist her, in order to help her, in order to stand up for her, she has to stand up first. That's all I can say. But about him, I'm gonna say it in Amharic. ስድብ በእንትን ነው እኔ እሱን ልሞልጨው ነው ዛሬ
እንዳትሳደቢ።
ብዙ አትሳደቢ።
No, you don't say like that.
ምክንያቱም ጥሩ
Because
አይደለም፣ ለእኛ ራሱ
nobody
ክብር
respect you.
አይደለም።
Yeah, it doesn't
ላላ
matter.
እንዳትሳደብ። እኔ የምትሳደቡ ከሆነና እኔ ግን
ቆይ አንዴ መቅዲ አሚና I want to talk to you.
No, no,
You
no.
don't talk like that.
You know why?
Make it down, you said. You know that. It's not good.
Okay, ታውራ።
I mean, you have to talk it nicely.
ኦኬ ለሚ ኦኬ እሺ ልናገር ምን ልናገር መሰለሽ በቃ አሁን እያንዳንዱን ነገር የሚያደርገው ነገር ኦኬ እና በቃ ኦዲየንስን ነው እንጂ የሚከተለው እኔ አሁን መጨረሻ ላይ ስረዳው በተለይ ከቫለንታይንስ ዴይ በኋላ ኦዲየንስን ነው የኦዲየንስን የሚፈልገውን ነገር ነው እንጂ የሚያደርገው የእሷን አይደለም። ስለዚህ ሪሌሽንሻፓቸውን እኔ አላቅም እንግዲህ ይቅርታ አድርጉልኝ እንዳትጣሉኝ አሁን እኔ የምናገረውን ነገር ለዛ ነው እና
አሚና አታውሪ ስለ ሪሌሽንሺፕ አሁን ማውራት ያለብን ምንድነው?
ስለሱ እኮ ነው እንዳለ ኦዲየንስን ነው የሚከተለው።
ደጋፊዎች ላደረጉት መልስ ሊሰጣቸው ነው ወይ ዛሬ ያመጣት? ምን
ይመስልሻል? እሱን ነው የምልሽ እኮ አሁን እሱን ልመጣልሽ እኮ ነው። አሁን በቀደም ራሱ ቫለንታይንስ ዴይ ያመጣው ሁሉ ሰው everyone was excited ሆኖ ነበርና በቃ ነገ ባሪፍ ቪዲዮ ይመጣሉ ቫለንታይንስ ዴይ ነው ምናምን ሲባል እሱ ብታጀራ ነበረ። ሲበር ማታ መጣና የቺ ቪዲዮማ ብር አታመልጠኝም ብሎ ነው የሰራው እንጂ ናት ኦኬ ይቅርታ አድርጉልኝ አሁን አልናገረውም። ኦዲየንስን ብር ለመስራት ነው የመጣው በቃ በኢንጀነራል በቃ ልለው የምችለው ማለት ነው። ዛሬ ደግሞ ትላንትና እንደዛ ላይ ብላ በሸቃት እኔ ሪከርድ የሆነ እኔ አላየሁም ስራ ላይ ነበር እና ሪከርድ የሆነን ሳይ ያበሸቃት ልጅቷ ትምጣ ምናምን ሲባል እንደዛ የሚያረጋ እንደዛ እንደ ቁንጫ ነው የሆነችው ቁንጫ እንዴ why she don't deserve this why እና እሱ ሁሌም ቢሆን ኦዲየንስ የሚፈልገውን ዛሬም ኦዲየንስ እነሱ እንግዲህ የሱ አጨብጫቢዎች እንደዛ አሉት መጥቶ ኦኬ ለነሱ ብቻ የሚሰራ ከሆነ ለነሱ ብቻ ከሆነ ቪዲዮ የሚሰራው ቀይስራላቸውና ከዛ ሌላውን ኦዲየንስ ሉዝ ያደርጋል። እንዴት ነው እኔ አሁን ሁለቱንም አይደለም እናየው ምንወዳቸውም ሁለቱም አብረው ነው አይደለም ግን እሱ እየሄደበት ያለው መንገድ ላይክ ሁሌ እኔን አዳምጡኝ የሱን ብቻ እንትን ነው የሚያንጸባርቀውና የሷን ስሜት አንድ ቀንም በተለይ ናወዴስ እየተረዳ ስላልሆነ በጣም በጣም ትክክለኛ ያልሆነ መስመር የለቀቀ
ነበር እንዴ ወታደራ ነበር
ለቅሶ
እኔ በቃ ወገቤን ምናምን ሲጀመር ወገቡን የታመመው ራሱ የት ሄዶ ነው ምን ሲያደርግ ነው?
እሱን አያገባንም። አሚና በቀጠረች እሱን አያገባንም በይ
አሚና he's 22
ወታደራ የሚለው ስላልሰንትም ስላልሰማው ነው
sometimes I'm surprised what he need what he doing you cannot
no he just need you know what user you know what he just need money he just need money not anything
I know, but sometimes I don't want to explain inside like platform. So many things.
ጋራ እነሱን ተከትለን እኮ ከፍቶን ማይረቡ
we have. Even the action